Welcome to Tech and Home Chronicles, where smart living meets simple solutions. It's Cleaning Thursdays, the day we look at the tools that make tackling messes a whole lot easier. Today we're checking out the Libman Tornado Spin Mop System, a mop and bucket set designed to keep your hands dry while cleaning floors. Let's break down the good and the bad so you can decide if it's worth it. The good starts with its all-in-one design. You get a spin bucket with a built-in wringer, so you can mop and remove excess water without ever touching the dirty mop head. The microfiber mop head has extra thick, long strands that reach under cabinets and furniture, and the fibers are tough enough to scrub stuck-on messes, but gentle enough for hardwood, laminate, tile, and more. To wring it out, just unlock the lever and push the handle into the spin chamber. The harder you push, the drier the mop gets. The bucket holds up to 2 gallons of water and even has a pour spout to make emptying easier. The mop head is machine washable, so you can reuse it instead of buying disposables. And it's versatile, not just for floors but also for walls, cabinets, and baseboards. On the downside, the mop head needs to be replaced every few months with frequent use, which adds to ongoing costs. The spin action requires a bit of force, so it's not completely hands-free. And while the bucket is sturdy, it's bulkier than standard mop buckets. So, is it worth it? If you want a reusable, hands-free mop system that's safe on all floor types and helps with daily or heavy-duty cleaning, the Libman Tornado Spin Mop System is a great choice. But if you want something ultra-compact or completely effortless, you might prefer a lighter mop style. Check the description for the product link and possible deals, especially since you can choose different bundles with extra mop head refills. Like and subscribe for more quick, honest reviews. We cover a new category every day of the week, right here on Tech and Home Chronicles. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.